Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Decor Styles. Friends, do you want to make your home look more expensive and stylish without breaking the bank? In this video, I will show you some of the new interior design trends that are taking over in 2023 and how you can incorporate them into your own space. You will learn how to use colors, lighting, accessories, furniture, and more to create a stunning and luxurious look for your home. Whether you want to update your living room, bedroom, kitchen, I have some amazing ideas for you. Watch this video till the end and get ready to transform your home with these interior design trends. Friends, you can mix up your textiles, use different fabrics, textures, colors, and patterns for your sofa, chair, throw pillows and drapes to add dimension and interest to your space. A simple bucket of fresh flowers can add sophistication and elegance to your home. You can also use greenery from outside to brighten up your space. Upgrade your hardware. The next is upgrade your hardware. Replace your standard knobs, handles, and fixtures with something more modern and chic. Improve your interior architecture, friends. You can enhance the look of your walls, ceilings, windows, and doors by adding molding, paneling, wallpaper, or paint. These features can create a sense of depth, character, and luxury in your home. You can invest in quality furniture. Choose furniture pieces that are well made, comfortable, and stylish. You don't have to buy a matching set of furniture. Instead, opt for pieces with slight color variation and character. Incorporate some luxury materials. You can add some glamour and richness to your home by using materials such as velvet, silk, marble, leather, or fur. I hope these tips can help you to create a home look more expensive. If you enjoy this video, friends, please like, hit the bell icon, and do more comments and subscribe my channel. Thank you.